So I wanted to be a little bit more clear before I left. Um, the lead faculty for each of the main math courses at JCC has created a fake course, if you will. So, for example, Eric Olila created this course right here, which is a generic Math 095 course. And he made this little note to let you know that the Ask My Instructor help feature was turned off. And I'll explain what that means much, much later. Okay, and Lisa made this one, and Allison made this one, and so on. Okay, so you are more than welcome to copy this course. So if you're a Math 120 adjunct, you can write this course number right down here. Let me go over there, and you can put it in right there and say go, and you'll be copying her course, and that's completely fine. Okay, the other option is, of course, once you've already made courses, let's say you copied Allison's course and you have more of your own, then you can copy one of your own courses and you don't have to copy Allison's if you don't want to. So that's up to you. And of course, you could always just create it from scratch if you wanted to do that as well. All right, so I actually want to copy one of my own courses. So I'm going to copy this one right here, the online one, and say go. That's all well and good. Click continue. And I'm going to call this Math 133.I1 Fall 10. Right? Actually, I want to make this a little bit more clear. This is online. Oops, I already have this course. Well, that's okay. I'll make another one. I can always delete it later. I'll show you how to do that. I want students to be able to enroll in this course. Ooh, I better say what this is. This is the 15-week. I can't type. Hold on one second. There we go. My computer is being possessed. 15-week online statistics course. Okay. Now, when does it start? Enrollment starts on the 30th. That's the first day that students can get in. Enrollment end date, I don't really care about this that much. I just don't want it to be past when the course ends. So I'm just going to pick December 1st because the course actually ends December 23rd or something like that. So let me go back, use the arrows back, and the course ends December 20th, I believe. Do I want it to be available for copy for other instructors? Sure, why not? I don't care. That's up to you. And if you say no, then other instructors can't copy your courses. Oops, the enrollment start date I entered is later than, oops. Okay. Course start, oops, that should be the same day. My fault. That's all right. And there, it made this new course ID for me. Isn't that great? Okay, isn't that wonderful? Now I can go back to my Pearson. And you just wait. It's got a little clock by it. It doesn't take longer than a minute. I mean, it doesn't take long at all for it to exist. So let me refresh for a second. Well, I'll be pause. I'll be right. Wait, it's already there. See? It's that fast. And then I go, oh, whoops. I had already made that course. I don't need a new one like that. How would you delete a course if you don't want it anymore? Well, you go to settings. Oh, actually, I think you go to details. So this is the one I just made, details. And I can click on delete course. Yep, I want to permanently delete it. It was my mistake. I didn't mean to create it. And it takes a second. And it's gone, right? So I can go back to my Pearson. And it's gone. See? No longer there. But there's the course I actually wanted right there, Online 10 Fall. Let me click on details and make sure that those are what I want. So you can see the course settings. There's the course creation date. There's the enrollment start date. There's the enrollment end date and so on, just like the other course. It's available for student enrollment and such. If you want to change any of that, you click course settings and you can modify all sorts of things, right? You can modify the course name and description, which is all this stuff up here, right? Math 133 online and so on. Yep, that's okay, I don't mind. You can change the course dates in the copy settings. Set course entry point, I'll talk about that another time. I can change course design. Actually, I'm running out of time. I'll talk about this course design one next time. So I'll see you right here then.